Landscape Lighting Designers Plus, architect of creative outdoor lighting solutions. Landscape Lighting Designers Plus specialize in the design, installation, and maintenance of high-quality outdoor illumination systems in the DC, Maryland, and Virginia area. Services we offer: architectural lighting, gazebo and deck lighting, driveway lighting, garden lighting, as well as lawn lighting, pathway and walkway lighting, step lighting, pool and underwater lighting, and proactive maintenance. Visit our website at www.outdoorlightingnow.com to browse our services and book an appointment.